Early on, we will present the results of our division on the narrative. Text entitled the disaster of the midwife.
Narrative text is a type of text present a series of events chronologically in which the aim of entertaining in reading, conveying a moral message, or telling a fictional or non-fictional story.
So I will reading to our story. This title, the disaster of the midwife. This story comes from my perspective, a child from a family whose profession has been as a midwife for generations. Since childhood, I have been accustomed to the invisible world, but a strange experience that changed my life began when I was 10 years old. At the time, my mother and uncle and I went to Majesto village, Sukoharjo, Mbah Buyut's hometown. On the way, uncle suddenly said, Dimas is being held by Mbau Rexone. He is happy with Hawan, your son. Not long after we passed the village gate, I saw the figure of a white-haired grandfather clothing, casing our motorbike while grabbing in my hand. I who was still innocent welcomed his hand. Instantly, our motorbike fell even though the road was smooth. My uncle immediately grabbed me and said quickly to the figure, Sorry, this kid is from a heresy. Sorry for bothering you. The old man grinned, then disappeared. When I arrived at Mbah Buyut's house, I was amazed. The house was dilapidated and scary. My mother admonished me not to talk carelessly. At the time, something strange happened again. Great-grandfather, who was very old, suddenly ran briskly to the kitchen, even though he should not have been able to walk far. Strangely, when mother called from the kitchen, Mbah voice answered from the room. We went into the room, and I was told to smoke cigarettes from corn leaf. After that, my view changed. The figure of grandfather appeared again, accompanied by a woman in a red dress and several small children who looked at me. They are not human. We came home with something in a mysterious bag. Not long after the visit, Mbah Buyut died. Then, strangely enough, my mother suddenly became able to message and become a midwife without ever studying. A week later, the mother's condition worsened. When I opened the shaking cupboard in his room, I found a bag containing a black stone and 2 bones like chicken aloes. When I took it out, the cupboard stopped shaking. That night, a strong, spicy, and floral aroma wafted from my mother's room. There, the same 3 figures appeared again. This time with angry face, they approached me. When I backed away in fear, my mother came, took the bag, and closed the bedroom door. The mother, who was getting weaker, said, Le, I'm sorry. I don't act like I'm dating you when you're the rabbi. At 11 p.m., mother did.
The 3 supernatural figures stood next to the mother's body, then just walked away. Not long after Mbah said, "My son Wedo is dead. Let me go." I stopped, and sure enough, 14 days later, Mbah followed motor. Everything happened with the same incident, trance, a strange smell, and the appearance of the three figures again. When the house was cleaned, it was found that the bread which had been lost during the extent of the monster deeds turned out to be stored in Bas Kuprot. We prayed in Moriclut uncle threw away the black bag containing the magical object. We thought it was all over, but not. The three figures never really left. They are still looking for me, looking for who is worthy to continue the family legacy as their guardian and maybe the VRA cousin.
Okay, that now presented from us. If there are any mistake, we apologize. See you again another time. See you next video. Dadah.